Welcome back to Mathematics by AC Okocha. I'm excited. We're making a lot of progress with regard to our series on partial fraction. I've already shown you a number of questions, about four of them, or if I'm not mistaken. So if you have not seen the previous class, you can go and watch it so that you have a better understanding. So we're going to make progress. We're still in partial fraction. We're going to be wrapping up partial fraction tomorrow or next before I move to another topic. Now, this is a question we have. They say that if this is equals to this, find the value of A, B, C. Someone who don't know partial fraction will be wondering, how do I find A, B, and C from one equation when it is not a simultaneous equation or something? But I believe you should not be asking that question, because with what we have done, this is one of the simplest questions that we are meeting, because already they've helped us to decompose, or they've helped us to split the denominator into partial fraction. So I told you that the denominator is the most important one, and they've already split it for us. So all we need to do is just to solve it and get the value of A, B, and C. So you can see that this is repeated square. So you have x, then you have s squared before this one. So let's go ahead. What do we need to do here? Simple. So we bring this side down. This 1 over s squared bracket s plus 1, which is equals to, okay, there is no need bringing it down. If we find the LCM there, what do we get? The LCM of 1, 2, 3 will give us the same thing as s squared bracket s plus 1. The reason is because the LCM of s and s squared is s squared. The LCM of s squared and s plus 1 will give us s squared times s plus 1. So when s go into s squared times s plus 1, this one s here will cancel 1 here, remaining 1 s here, and this times a. So here is a bracket s bracket s plus 1, if I may put it that way, then plus b. For b, this will cancel this. We are left with this times in b, s plus 1. Then for c, when this one go here, this will cancel this, remaining s squared. So you have plus c bracket s squared. I've told you that you don't need to cross multiply. Since the denominator is the same, this will cancel this. When this cancel this, we are left with what? 1 equals to a bracket s times s plus 1 plus b bracket s plus 1, then plus c times s squared. Now, how do we find the value of ABC? This is what we will use to find ABC, this thing here. Simple. Remember cover up that I taught you. So we can put that s is 0. If s is 0, a is out. No. Okay, you can cover up. Let's start with minus 1. If s is minus 1, this one will give us 0, so a will become 0. If s is minus 1, this bracket will give us 0, b becomes 0. We can find c. So I'll come and put it like this. Put s equals to minus 1 to find what? To find c. So I say 1 is equals to, if you put minus 1 here, a is already 0, no need. Here, minus 1, b is 0. So we have that c minus 1 square. So that is equals to, minus 1 square is 1. 1 times c is c. So c is equals to 1. That is what it means. Now that we know that c is 1, let's go for, we have gotten c. Now we can put anything now. Let's put that s is equals to 0. If s is 0, we have 1 is equals to, when here is 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Remember that here is 0. 0 times anything will give you 0, so a is out. If here is 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 times b, b. If here is 0, 0, 0 square is 0 times c is 0. So that side is 0 too. So we are left with that b is equals to 1 also. Can you see that? Now we can find There is no need for this again. Now, we can put anything we have not put before. For instance, we can put that s is equals to 1. S is equals to 1. If we do that, we have 1 is equals to, put 1 here, 1. Put 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2. Follow me. Put 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times A, 2A. Put 1 here, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 times B, 2B. Put 1 here, 1 square, 1 times C, C. But remember that we already know C and B. So anywhere we see C and B, we'll put the value. So we have 2A plus 2B, which is 1, plus C, which is 1. So we have 1 is equals to 2A plus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. If you bring this one here, you have 3 minus 1, which will give you 2. If you bring this 2 here, you have minus 2A. So at the end of the day, we are having that A is equals to 2 divided by minus 2, which is equals to minus 1. So A is minus 1. So already we know the value of A, B, C now. So we'll now come here and say, therefore, A plus B plus C is equals to minus 1 plus B, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because A is minus 1, B is 1, C is 1, which will give us equals to minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Yes, 0 plus 1, 1 as a total. Does that make sense? That should. Okay, that is it for this. As you can see, it's very simple. But don't miss the next class. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you what is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. It's not like what we have done. No. You can see that every day I'm showing you something different. Tomorrow, I'll be showing you improper fraction. Don't miss tomorrow class. I'm going to be posting 2 tomorrow, because we're likely to be wrapping up partial fraction tomorrow, so that by next tomorrow, we can move to another thing. Thank you. Remember to share this video.